The Malaysia's swift-net industry can contribute greatly to the economic growth up to ringgit Malaysia 1.2 billion annually, and therefore MMCU is very proud to be able to assist in providing this RFID track and trace solution designed to provide assurance that our bird's nest export sold overseas are genuine, thus enhancing the development and export value.
Of course, I will help you with the MCLC involvement with the bird nest. After that, from that point into the retail point, to the consumer point, that's where we need also to work with the Chinese to establish.
Of course.
As far as my concern is, or rather what I can play in, declare to the Chinese that these are the standard.
Yeah, absolutely.
This is the standard. This is
we need
standard.
to develop the standards.
Yeah, develop the standard. They will think.
For houses, they must bird premises, they must comply with the GHP, to be given this smart card, Malaysian premise card, to be given to be endorsed that they are clean and healthy, and this is the products where they can be exported straight into exporting countries. And for the GMP and the specification for those with the processing plant, and they will also be awarded with this smart premise card, and with this it will relate to the Malaysian animal traceability system, and that is a track and trace from true and true from the very beginning to the end.
Permando, the Performance Management Delivery Unit, an agency under the auspices of the Prime Minister's Office, helps coordinate, bring together the multiple players within this industry so that everybody would actually work on the same timeline, having the same target, and resolve that problem. Beyond Swiftlet Bird's Nest, we will have other plants and produce such as palm oil, rubber, and animal feed. And we will see more and more of this coming into play as we progress along this entry point project of track and trace, because they too see the value of having a higher level of premium of their export.